Okay guys, I'm back with another quick video. I'm just kind of doing these at random. Once I get them all done, I'll switch to other videos. But anyway, I thought my light didn't work on my white 3355, and come to find out, it actually does. There's a switch under here. And amazingly, you have light. I'm finding quite a few surprises on this when I go through it and see what I've got. The other surprise I found, my foot wouldn't come up like this. And I couldn't figure out why. And what had happened, this screw comes out and you lift it up and see how your foot comes out of it? So you lower it back down, you put your foot into it. Let's see if I can show you this. It comes out, and this here is got to be up between that and that, okay? In order for your screw to hold it in. If it doesn't do that, your foot doesn't raise. And let's see, there it goes. I unscrewed it, it went down. Now I gotta screw it where it holds my foot in. Okay, I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. You gotta unscrew this like this. And I know my camera's going in and out of blur mode. Lift your foot up like that, okay? And then tighten down your screw. And I'm going the wrong way. I gotta go the other way. And that actually holds your foot on. Oh, I'm having problems doing this one-handed. But anyway, if your foot doesn't raise up like that, loosen that screw, push your foot back up in it, tighten this screw back up here, and then all of a sudden, it raises and lowers. And that's something that was not in the book, and I would never have guessed was going on. So anyway, like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, when I figure them out, I'll let you know. Until then, I'll see you next video.